Ever wondered why when one old Christmas light burns out, the whole string dies, but when your kitchen light blows, the rest of the house stays lit? The answer is in two different wiring designs, series and parallel circuits. Think of a series circuit as a single-track railway. All the electricity flows in one single loop through every single component. This creates a critical dependency. If one bulb fails, the track is broken, and everything downstream stops. It's an all-or-nothing system. Plus, the battery's power gets shared. With a 12-volt battery powering two bulbs in series, each bulb only gets 6 volts, making them much dimmer. The more you add, the dimmer they get. Now picture a multi-lane highway. That's a parallel circuit. The current splits, giving each light bulb its own private lane back to the power source. This makes them independent. If one bulb burns out, the others stay on, because their paths are still complete. This is exactly why your home is wired in parallel. You don't want the fridge to turn off when you switch off the TV. Every appliance also gets the full voltage from the wall, letting it run at full power. But there's a trade-off. Since every device in parallel draws full power, it drains a battery much faster. And here's a surprising twist. While adding more bulbs in series increases resistance, making it harder for electricity to flow, adding more bulbs in parallel actually decreases the total resistance. It's like adding more lanes to that highway. It makes it easier for the traffic of electrons to get through. So while we use parallel wiring for reliability in our homes, that all-or-nothing nature of series circuits is perfect for safety. Your home's main circuit breaker is wired in series with everything, so if there's a dangerous fault, it can break that one single path and cut power to the entire house, protecting you and your devices.